In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable QR code on Zoho Invoices. By the end, you'll have a neat QR code appearing on your invoices so customers can quickly access the invoice online or any link you choose, helping speed up viewing, sharing, and even payment. Start on the Zoho Invoice homepage and sign in to the organization where you want this setting applied. The interface can vary slightly based on region and updates, but the navigation is consistent. From the homepage, head to Settings. You'll typically find this as a gear icon. Clicking it opens a list of preferences that control how your invoices look and behave. Inside Settings, select Invoices. This area houses your invoice preferences, including display options, numbering, terms, and, the one we want today, the QR code. Once you're in the Invoices preferences, look for the section labeled Invoice QR code. If you don't see it immediately, scroll a little. It's grouped with other formatting and display preferences for the invoice. Now turn the QR code feature on. You'll either see a toggle or a checkbox. Go ahead and enable it. As soon as it's on, you'll get a couple of options that define what the QR code contains. This is important because the QR code is only as useful as what it points to. Next, open the QR code type field. You'll see two choices, Invoice URL or Custom. Invoice URL is the most straightforward. It automatically generates a link to the online version of the invoice hosted by Zoho. When your customer scans the code, they go straight to their invoice in a secure, read-only view where they can see details and, depending on your setup, pay online. This is an excellent default because it requires no extra configuration and stays accurate for each invoice you send. Custom is for teams that want the QR code to point somewhere else, perhaps a payment portal, a hosted terms page, or a help center link. If you choose Custom, be sure the destination is correct and accessible to customers. Remember, whatever you put here will be the same for every invoice unless you later change it, so pick a stable link you trust. For this walkthrough, select Invoice URL to keep things simple and reliable. With the type chosen, move to the QR code description field. This is the small line of text that appears near the QR code on your invoice. It helps customers understand what they'll get when they scan it. Keep it clear and action-oriented. For example, you might say, "Scan to view your invoice online," if you selected the Invoice URL option, or something like, "Scan to pay securely," if your setup supports online payments. The description doesn't change what the code does, but it sets the right expectation and improves the customer experience. Once your description is set, save your changes. Saving applies this setting to your invoices going forward. From now on, when you generate or preview an invoice using your templates, the QR code will be included based on the option you chose. Placement and appearance can vary slightly depending on the invoice template you're using, so the QR code might appear in the header, footer, or a sidebar area in the PDF and online views. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind for smooth results. If you use Invoice URL, you get the benefit of a unique link per invoice without any extra steps, and it's a good fit for teams that want consistency and minimal maintenance. If you ever switch to custom, double check that the link is secure and uses the correct domain, especially if it relates to payments. And if your customers frequently print invoices, the QR code is still useful. Most modern smartphone cameras can scan it right off paper. That's it, your QR code is now set up in Zoho Invoice. With the toggle on, the type selected, a clear description added, and your settings saved, your invoices will include a scannable shortcut that helps customers act faster and with fewer questions.